Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'd like to show you how you can quickly and easily make your own rag in a can oiler. These are great for your workshop, great for preventing rust on metal surfaces such as cast iron, and they're also really good for lubricating metal surfaces such as hand saws and hand planes to keep them running smoothly. So I've seen numerous videos online about how to make these. I've had this on my to-do list for a while, so in this video I'm going to show you how I made mine. Okay, so I've got myself a small can. This one had some sweet corn in it. It doesn't really matter what size can you use, you just want to get a nice tight fit of the towel inside here so it's nice and snug. This one had some sweet corn in it and it measures, diameter is about just over 65 mil, and then the height again is just over 65 mil, so that should be big enough. I don't want one too big because I'll need a really big towel. So there's the can, and then I've got an old tea towel here, so I'm just going to lay it out and then fold it a few times. And what I want is for it to be just a little bit longer than the height of the can. So that should do it. So now I'm going to start rolling up the towel nice and tight. So now we've got a nice tight roll. I can put this into the can. The edge of the towel I'm going to keep at the bottom, and then the nice rounded over folded part at the top. So before I add this roll, I'm just going to add some oil to the bottom of the can so that it helps to soak up the oil from the bottom, and then I'm going to put some on the top as well. I've got some multi-purpose oil here. I don't think it matters too much what type of oil you use, but I'm just going to add some to the bottom. So now I've got the oil in the bottom here, I'm going to start adding the rag to the can. This is where the flat-headed screwdriver becomes useful. It can just help to start pushing it in. As I say, you want a nice snug tight fit. You can always use the vise just to help to squeeze the rag into the can. So now that's done, I want the lip of the can to be covered with the towel like this, so that when you put this onto a surface, the metal of the can doesn't come into contact with whatever you're lubricating. So it's good to have a bit of a hangover around the edge and having it sticking up proud a little. So that has now been soaked in oil. I'll leave it for a while, probably a day or so, just to settle in, and then it can be used or topped up again with more oil and then used for lubricating metal surfaces. Okay, so that is about it for this video. I hope you found it useful. As I say, there are many videos on YouTube already about doing this, but as I wanted to make one anyway, I thought I may as well just make a video on it. So hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.